Every day, the teacher would enter the classroom smiling and cheerful. But today, he looked extremely worried. The color had drained from his face. Seeing this, all the students could not help but feel surprised. The class monitor, Shakil Ahmed, stood up and said, "Sir, what's the matter? You look very upset." The thing is, the teacher began, "Yesterday I received my salary. I put it in an envelope and kept it in my pocket. Then after school, I rode my bicycle home. In the evening, I needed some money. When I put my hands in my pockets, the envelope with the salary was gone." "Oh no!" several students exclaimed. "Who knows when or where the envelope fell?" The teacher continued, "Anyway, God is the provider." Saying this, he opened the cupboard, took out the register, and started taking attendance. He was in charge of 8th grade class and taught science. Even while taking attendance, he looked restless and anxious. After the roll call, he asked the boys to take out their books. One boy spoke up, "Sir, you are very upset. You should taken the day off today." "Yes, sir, I will check the classroom today," the monitor Shakil Ahmed offered. "No, no, what is done is done. I would not take leave without reason," the teacher replied. "Sir, how much is your salary?" a tall boy asked. 25,000 rupees, he replied, and then started teaching the class with full attention. When this period ended, he left the room. Soon, all the teachers in the school came to know that Sheikh Saib had lost his salary. They all came one by one and expressed their sympathy. After the fifth period, there was a break in school. All the students went outside and gathered around various stalls and carts to buy food and snacks. The 8th grade students were also about to rush outside when the monitor Shakil Ahmed called out loudly, "Wait a moment." All the students stopped where they were. The monitor closed the classroom door from inside and said, "Friends, please listen to one of my suggestions." "What suggestions?" several boys asked in surprise. "You all know that our class in charge, Sheikh Saib, is very upset because he has lost his entire month's salary. My suggestion is this: there are 104 students in our class. If we all contribute some money and together collect 25,000 rupees, we can help relieve Sheikh Saib distress." "Yes, that's a great idea," many voices agreed. Then each boy shared comes to 240 rupees. "Please submit the money to me," said the class monitor Shakil Ahmed. One boy stood up and said, "Shakil bhai, this is not right. Many boys might be poor and some may not have money. So let's do this. Whoever can contribute should do so. And whoever cannot does not need to." "Absolutely right. I will add 240 rupees from my side," said the class monitor Shakil Ahmed. Then every boy began taking money out of his pocket. Some contribute more and some less. In this way, a small amount was collected. The class monitor Shakil Ahmed straightened all the notes and after counting them said, "Look everyone, we have collected 26,000 rupees. The problem is solved." "The problem is not solved," said chubby boy. "How's that?" asked the entire class in surprise. "Will the class in charge accept this money from us?" "He definitely would not." The chubby boy expressed his concern. "Yes, that's sure." "So what should we do?" the class monitor said with worry. Let's send the money to his home address by money order. A voice came from the back. But whose name and address will you write as a sender? A boy objected. We will write a fake name and address, the same chubby boy suggested. If he does not accept the money order, the money will go to waste. Another boy added. He would not return the money order. I have an idea, Shakil Ahmed said with a smile. What is it? Came several voices. Below the money order, there is a coupon section. We will write on it, Dear Sheikh Saib, I found this money on the road. I found out that it was your salary. I can't come myself, so I am returning your money through a money order. Very good. That's an excellent idea, all the boys said together. After the discussion, all the boys came outside. Some started playing on the ground, while others went into the canteen. The class monitor Shakil Ahmed brought a money order from the post office. It was filled out and kept ready. After school, 5 or 6 boys went to the nearby post office. The post office remained open until 9 o'clock. That's very evening. A money order of 25,000 rupees was sent in Sheikh Saib name to the school address. The next day, around 11 in the morning, the postman brought the money order. Sheikh Saib read the note on the coupon and received the money. He looked very happy. Everyone had come to know about the return of his money. The teacher congratulated him and called the person who returned the money a noble servant of God and a messenger of mercy. Seeing Sheikh Saib happy, the students were also very delighted. That very day after school, Sheikh Saib returned home. He told his wife and children about the return of the money. This small amount brought great happiness to their home. That night, when Sheikh Saib lay down to sleep, his eyes suddenly fell on something under the table. He was startled. He bent down and picked up an envelope. It was the same envelope that had been lost. He opened it and found his full salary inside. The envelope had actually fallen inside his room. Now Sheikh Saib was very surprised. What was going on? The salary envelope had been in the house all along. Then who had sent this money order? The next day he went to school and told the whole story to the principal. The principal laughed and said, Well, that money order must have been sent by some well wisher of yours. But who? I want to return the money to him, said Sheikh Saib. What could the principal say? Sheikh Saib returned to this class, but his face was filled with the confusion. One of the boys asked in surprise, Sir, what's, what is this? You seem very worried and troubled again today. Yes, son, the matter is quite strange. And then he told them the whole story. All the students began to look at one another. The class monitor, Shakil Ahmed, said, Sir, you now have double the salary, so what's there to worry about? What are you saying? Do you mean I should not even find out who this kind person is who sent me the money? The teacher said, If you don't do find out, sir, what will you do? Shakil asked. I will return the money to him with thanks and will never forget this kindness, said the teacher. Sir, I can tell you the name of the person, but only on condition that you would not return the money to him, said the class monitor Shakil. That's not possible. I must return the money, the teacher said firmly. Class monitor Shakil stood up, turned towards the class, and said, Friends, I think we should tell sir the whole truth, otherwise, he will remain confused, and that's not right. Yes, that's true, the whole class said in loud voice. Class monitor Shakil then told the teacher everything. The teacher was astonished. In a choked voice, he said, "You care so much about your teacher, worries, my children. You are the truly great." Later, the teacher informed the principal and other staff members about this class action. The next morning, school gathered for assembly. The principal gave a speech in which he shared the incident of Sheikh Saib, low salary, and what his student had done. Then he said, "I commend the students of class 8 and encourage them to continue doing such good deeds." Respected teachers, Sheikh Saib was also present on stage. He came to the microphone and said, "I invite my class monitor Shakil Ahmed to come and collect the money from me. Every student who contribute will get their money back." There was a murmur in the class. Then one boy came up to the stage and said, "Money that has been spent on the good cause should not be taken back. Our respected teacher is insisting on returning it, but our class has decided that this small amount should be donated to the school library fund. Our library had few books. With this money, we should buy informative, scientific, historical books so that students develop a love for reading and increase their knowledge." All the students and teachers in the school burst in the applause.